Welcome back, Crammers. Question 9. 3 cups each contain 200 milliliters. 4 jugs each contain X milliliters. Emma pours all the water from the 3 cups and the 4 jugs into container, and the total amount that she gets is 3.5 liters. Work out the value of X. So we know that if we combine these, we will get 3.5 liters. However, it says here that each cup contains 200 milliliters, so we simply multiply. 3 times 200 is equal to 600, and 4 times x is 4x. So we know that when she combines 3 cups and 4 jugs, she gets 3.5 liters. When converting liters to milliliters, we simply multiply by 1000. So we have 3.5, and we move to the right 3 times. So we get 1, 2, 3, and put a 0. So that's 3,500 milliliters. So we know that 600 milliliters plus 4x is equal to 3,500 milliliters. We can bring 600 to the other side, and we get 3,500 minus 600 is equal to 4x. And we get 4x is equal to 2,900. We can then divide both sides by 4 to isolate x. Divide by 4. X is equal to 2,900 divided by 4, which is 725. 725 milliliters. 725 milliliters. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.